not by both.
Lord Chaitanya, when Ramananda Roy brought this up, he said it was now possible in this age to introduce it.
Yes. Not, he did not say possible. Your Bhagya. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu was interested only on the spiritual side. He had no idea of material side. He rejected material side.
So don't we do that also?
So, our position is different. We are trying to implement Krishna consciousness in everything. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu personally took sannyas, he rejected completely material. Niskincha. But we are not going to be niskincha. We are trying to cement the troubled position of it. That is also in the prescription of Bhagavad Gita. We are not rejecting the whole society. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu rejected everything. Your bhakti. Rejected meaning I do not take much interest in it. But it is extra. We are simply interested in the internal, the spiritual. But our duty is to we shall arrange the external affairs so nicely that one day we will come to the spiritual platform very easily. Paving the way. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu personality like that, they have nothing to do with material work. We are preaching. Therefore we must save the situation in such a way that gradually they will be promoted. It is not required.
Varnasrama is not required.
Not required. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu denied, I am not Brahmin, I am not Sattri, I am not Gita, I am not. He rejected. But in the Bhagavad Gita, Chatur Varnam Maya system, so we are Krishna, preaching Krishna consciousness, must.
But in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's practical preaching, he only...
That is not possible for ordinary man.
What, to simply induce people to chant? He only introduced it
But
to
who is chant? Who is chant?
Well, if they won't chant, then neither will they train up in the Varnasrama.
Chanting will be there, that's the key. But you cannot expect that people will chant like Chaitanya. They cannot even chant 16 times.
Well, we've been...
They are going to be Chaitanya.
No, but if they at least will chant and take some...
Chanting will go on. That is not stopped. But at the same time, the Varnasrama Dharma of our system to make the way easy.
Well, at least my own understanding was that the chanting was introduced in the age of Kali because Varnasrama is not possible.
It will cleanse the mind. Chanting will not stop.
So therefore the chanting was introduced and to replace all of the systems of Varnasrama and like
yes,
that.
It can replace, but who is going to replace it? Then people are not so advanced. So they do imitate Haridas Sata to chant. It is not possible.
We tell them go on with your job, but chant also.
Yes. Ako apona kaji. अपना काज शक्ति चलो मारा देखा स्थाने स्थिता if they do not remain in this sthana, then this hour we are chanting with them. That's why Saudi has also got the big hand. But Bhakti does know. This kind of chanting will work. Just like our Madhu says, he was not fit for sannyas, but he was given sannyas. And Thai woman was a Thai, as a good girl. That's what Varnasrama is required. Simply, so bhakti will not do. So, Varnasrama dharma should be introduced all over the world and
introduced, starting with ISKCON community?
Yes. Brahman, Kshatriya. There must be regular education.
So in our community, it's being as we're training up as Vaisnavas,
Yes.
then how will we be able to make divisions in our society?
Yes, Vaishnava is not so easy. The Varnasrama dharma should be established to become a Vaishnava. It is not so easy to become Vaishnava.
No, it's not easy.
Therefore this is easy. Vaishnava, to become Vaishnava is not so easy. Vaishnava, to become Vaishnava is so easy, like so many fall down. Not easy.
So Varnasrama,
The sannyas is for the highest qualified Brahman. Simply by dressing like a Vaishnava. All down.